Hi everyone, CNXsoft here. This is Tronsmart Vega S95 Telos. It's a AMLogic S905 TV box, like a few other services before, except it has 2 GB RAM, 16 GB flash and a SATA port. They have 3 models for the S85 and you will see which model you've received with a sticker on the side here, and I have the Telos version, that is the high-end one. So and on this side you have the full specifications. Alright, let's open it. Okay. Okay, this is not really a joy to open. Sorry about that. Yes. That's the device. On the outside it looks very much like the Mini MX, and we've got the SATA port here. This is connected through a USB bridge, so you can't expect amazing performance, but it will allow you to connect your hard drive, external hard drive, via SATA. And here we have the power, SPDIF, gigabit Ethernet, HDMI, a USB port, 2 more USB ports, and SD card slot full size. Okay, and they have also a small sticker here to confirm this is a Telos version. Okay, they've included a basic user manual in English with accessories, how to connect. Alright, and then in the box we have 4 compartments. The first one is a power adapter, is 12 volt 2 amps for this model. 24 watts because it needs enough power for the external hard drive too. An HDMI cable. That's a SATA cable that you should connect to the box here and to your hard drive. And a remote control. Is quite basic, and you need 2 AAA batteries to power it. Okay, that's it for today. I'll have to check if the firmware is better than the other one, and I'll try the USB storage, although I don't expect amazing performance. And I'll post everything on cnxsoftware.com. Alright, that's all for today. Bye bye.